I recently just helped a client of mine automate their social media posts. Now this automation I made for them also contains a human in the loop, meaning that the client actually gets to edit and then approve of the post before they are actually published. Now I'm going to start by walking you through a quick demo and show you everything that this automation can actually do, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes and show you the logic behind this workflow. So let's hop into the demo. We're first brought to this login page where you enter a username and password. This just prevents anybody else from finding this link and posting things to their social media account. So I'm going to log in here really quickly and then show you what we get from there. So once we log in, we're brought to this social media post generator. So this page allows us to select a platform that we actually want the post generated for, and then we can also enter a topic for that post. So this specific client makes stroopwafels, which are basically Dutch cookies. So I'll select the platform and then enter a topic, and then we can see the post that we get back. We can click generate the post here. And you can see we get that post caption put into this field right here. And the nice thing about this is that the caption is actually put into a text field. So we can easily make any changes that we want. So I could remove the hashtags, for example. Maybe I don't want this emoji. So you can see below the post caption here, we have the option to actually upload an image. Now this depends on the platform that they had selected up here. And in this case, I had selected Facebook, so images are not required to make a Facebook post. Whereas if they had selected something like Instagram, we would be required to upload an image here. And this also just allows them to upload one of the images that they have already had taken. This client did not want images to be generated for these posts, so I gave them that option here. You just choose the file and click publish the post. Really quickly, I do just want to mention that if you're a business owner looking to use AI inside of your business, then book a call using the link in the description. And whether you want a social media post generator, maybe you want blog generation, or just AI automation in general, then book a call, and I'm more than happy to give you some actionable ways to use AI in your business, as well as build out any systems or solutions that you would like to use. So now we can hop into the logic behind this automation. So I'm going to head over to N8N, and I can kind of walk you through what's happening here. So the first step here, we're using an AI agent to actually generate the caption for that social media post. And again, that is filled in into this post caption section, which is a text field allowing us to edit it. So we're receiving a webhook, and that sends us the topic and the platform entered here. And then we're using chat model, as well as 2 web search tools here, and a vector store containing information about the company. So this contains any information that this agent might need to know when actually doing marketing for this company. So things like your brand voice, buyer persona, things like that, just to make sure that the social media posts align with the brand's identity and other social platforms as well. So then we're sending that post caption back and plugging that into the text field. And then what we're doing down here is we are actually routing and then publishing the post to the social media platforms. So after we make any edits here, upload an image if we'd like, then we select publish the post. So what this does is it sends the platform and the post caption as well as the image back to N8N. And then here we are just routing down depending on the platform that they had actually selected. So Facebook would route down up to the Facebook here. And then for platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, where images are optional, we then need to check to see if an image is actually present. And if an image is actually present, then we post with a photo or we post with just the caption. Since Instagram and Pinterest both require images, we just have one route here, since we know every post coming in for those platforms needs an image. And then the LinkedIn is the same as Facebook, so we first need to check if an image is actually present, and then if it is, we will then add the image and create a LinkedIn post with the image, or we just create a LinkedIn post with just the caption that they submitted. So I also have other videos out talking about how to set up a web search tool here, or use a vector store using Pinecone, as well as connecting a web app, so this front end, to N8N here. And I also have videos talking about how to actually publish posts to different social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So if you're interested to find out exactly how I set this up, check out those other videos, and I'm quite positive you can put it together. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Have a good one.